The TCS3200 color sensor Proteus library has been one of the most requested components in the Proteus community, and now it's finally available. When the simulation starts, a small floating window appears. You can also hide or show it using the arrow buttons. This window serves as the main control panel for the model. Clicking Pick Color opens the standard Windows Color Picker dialog. You can enter exact RGB values or click anywhere on the color spectrum. Once you confirm your selection, the color is immediately applied to the simulation, the colored rectangle in the window updates, and the out pin frequency changes accordingly on the very next simulation callback. The color you choose represents the color of the object, or light, that the sensor is seeing. The slider at the bottom of the window controls an overall light intensity multiplier from 0% to 100%. This simulates how much ambient or reflected light is reaching the sensor, independent of color. This is useful for testing low light conditions or for simulating a sensor that is partially obscured. Visit the Electronics Tree Library page or use the link in the video description. Click the download button and wait for the file to download. Once complete, you'll have a zip file. When you open it, a password prompt will appear. Type in electronicstree.com to extract the files. Inside, there are two folders labeled Lib and Model. Then, open your Proteus installation directory and locate the library folder. Drag the file from the lib folder and drop it into your Proteus library folder. Next, find the Models folder in your Proteus directory. Open the Model folder from the extracted files and drag the file into the Proteus Models folder. Now open Proteus. If it was already running, restart it to load the new files. In the schematic editor, open the library browser, search for TCS3200 and place it on the schematic. Interface it with an Arduino just like a real sensor. The model has the same pins and works like the hardware module, except for the enable pin, which is not functional in this model. You can either write your own code or, for quick testing, use the code from my site. Compile it, then locate the hex file and load it into the Arduino in the simulation. This model is designed specifically for Proteus 8 and is not compatible with Proteus 9. Please ensure you are using Proteus 8 to avoid any issues while loading or simulating the library components. For a complete understanding of the library structure, features, and functionality, kindly refer to the official library guide page, where all necessary documentation and usage details are provided in a clear and structured format. If you encounter any errors, unexpected behavior, or require further assistance during installation or simulation, feel free to reach out by leaving a comment on this video or in the post comments section. Support and guidance will be provided to help you resolve any issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope this library proves useful for your projects and simulations.